This is Pogo. He came into our lives with a tiny limp, a big heart, and ears too cute to handle. He got his name from the way he moved, bouncing on 3 legs but never slowing down. We learned he was younger than we thought, his leg injury serious but his spirit unshakable. He didn't ask for much, just kindness, warmth, and a safe place to be a puppy. We gave him that, and he gave us joy. He explored it all: shoes, carpet, stairs, new faces. Every new thing was an adventure, and he tackled it all like a champ. Yeah, he chewed some things, maybe a shoelace, but every mess was a memory. He found rhythm in the chaos, a little shadow, always curious, always wagging. Wally became his big foster brother, steady, calm, and always close by. Pogo soaked up every bit of comfort. He was goofy, wild, and wonderfully loud. Toys, zoomies, couch dives, you name it. Pogo made the house feel alive. Every night he curled up close. He knew he was home, and we knew we were lucky. Pogo's time was shorter than we hoped, but in those weeks he gave us a lifetime of love. He didn't grow old, but he will never be forgotten. Some dogs live forever in your heart. Pogo didn't just change our days, he changed our lives.